guys? It's your girl Shanelle.janai from around the way. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys another synthetic wig. I know it's been a while since I've done one, so if you missed it, here you go. So the wig that I am wearing today, the company is Vanessa. It says tops deep middle lace part. Long story short, it's a middle part wig. It can't be parted anywhere else. I can show you, like, if there's nowhere else you can part this wig, but in the middle they give you a tiny bit of space around the edges so that you can have a natural looking wig on your head. I got this wig at my local beauty supply store like I usually do, but look in the description, and if I have found where this wig can be purchased online, I will have a link down below. If you don't see a link, that just means that I couldn't find one, but I'm hoping that I do, so check it out. Also, at my beauty supply store, the wig was $44.99. They gave me a 10% discount. I don't know why. I go there a lot, so honestly, it might be because they just saw a familiar face. The color that I'm wearing is TT5077. There are different colors to choose from. There was a pretty pink one that I was gonna get, and I was debating back and forth if I should get pink or blonde, pink or blonde, pink or blonde. But I went with the blonde. There's also another shade of blonde, and there's different gray colors. Anyway, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I won't be getting into specifics because I have plenty of videos where I explain specifically what I'm doing, but I just wanted to show you guys my process while I put this wig on, give you my review of it, and yeah, let's get right into this video. This wig is so beautiful, y'all. So of course I started by putting the wig on, clipping it in with the combs on the inside. I cut that lace just to give me some space. It is kind of tight. Then of course, like I always do, I section off the front of the hair and I start to pluck the hair. This is because we want the hairline to look very natural and thin, like real hairlines always look. So right here, I'm just showing you the difference that it makes in plucking the hairline. Now, this is the most time-consuming part of this whole process, but it's the most necessary part in my opinion, just because, again, you want it to look very, very natural. Before cutting that lace, now that I'm ready to, I'm just brushing back the hair because we don't want to cut off any of our hair. Then I'm using this razor, like this eyebrow razor. You've probably seen this done in a lot of videos. The reason why we like to use this instead of scissors is because it gives it a rugged cut. We don't want a straight cut. With it being rugged, it just looks more natural when the lace is laying down against your skin. Now I'm preparing to cut my baby hairs. This wig did come with its own baby hairs, but I just wanted to fix that up a little bit.
When cutting your baby hairs, feel free to use scissors, hair scissors, or the same razor that I showed you before. Either or works perfectly fine. I'm using this styling mousse to lay down my wig so that there's no bumps, because sometimes the wig just isn't as flat as it can be from being in the packaging. Also, feel free to use styling mousse or even water to define the curl or the wave in the wig too. That's very important to note, that since it's synthetic hair, it's just real easy to get it back into shape. I feel like this wig is easily tangled, so be very, very mindful of that and be careful. I would not sleep in it. I would take it off at night. Now, lastly, I'm using a foundation that's my color, a powdered foundation, and I'm just putting that on the lace to cover up the dots, and look at the difference. It looks so good.
If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. If you've already done that, then welcome back, sis. And I will see you again with another freaking video. Bye, guys.